Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. So today we are going to clear up common mistakes that beginners make with French genders. Many beginners have gender confusion in their mind regarding le, la and les. So we will see when to use le, la and les. What is basically gender in French? Every French noun has a gender, masculine or feminine. So masculine nouns use le and feminine nouns use la. So for example, le livre means the book. So here the book is masculine, so we will be using le. And the apple, in French, apple is feminine. So for that purpose, we will be using la. La pomme. Pomme means apple, and because it is feminine, we will be using la. La pomme. Le livre, la pomme. Now we will see how to use les in case of plural. Both masculine and feminine nouns use les in plural. So here there is no differentiation between masculine and feminine nouns. For both of the nouns, if those are plural, we will be using les. For example, les pommes means the apple. Les livres means the books, means multiple books and multiple apples. So point to be noted here is les is used in case of both masculine and feminine nouns. Now you must have understood that le pomme is incorrect. It's wrong. As pomme is feminine in French, so you must be writing la pomme. So le pomme is totally incorrect. So here are some learning tips for you all, that always you should learn new nouns with their article. Means whenever you will be learning any new noun, you should know its gender first, and then you can use the article accordingly, whether it's le, la or les. Make flashcards with le, la, les plus noun. Practice by grouping nouns, masculine words together, feminine words together. This helps to avoid confusion in speaking and writing. So here I would suggest you all that whenever you will be learning any new noun, first of all, understand its gender and accordingly note it down in your notebook in separate sections. So at the time of revision, whenever you want to recall the noun, you will recall it with its gender, and accordingly you can use the appropriate article, whether it's le, la or les. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.